Good morning and welcome to Auto Body here at ICC. Here at ICC Auto Body, we make sure we cover a little bit of everything in the auto body or automotive world, from frame machines to painting to body filler and straightening of small, medium, and large dents. We try to make sure we have a very well-rounded program so students can see all aspects of the industry. In a moment here, we're going to take a walk through the shop and look at what my students are currently working on. Let's take a walk. So as we enter the classroom, you'll see we have a state-of-the-art spray booth and prep deck that equal industry standards, so the students get to see exactly what's done in the real world. Over here on the right, we have our VW microbus, which one of my students is preparing on the frame machine for doing straightening. Dennis. As we come up and through, we'll see some more projects. I got my students over here are preparing some wheels for paint. We're going to be painting some wheels for a customer. See how the whole panel's starting to shape out? Now we got to get lower. We got to get over here with these creases. So we're going to come up from behind again. And I don't have any leverage. Look, I can bend this thing over all the way. There's no place for me to get a lever on there. If I go other students that are currently taking off and masking so we can paint calipers on this Mercedes-Benz. And we'll walk around over here. Some of the other projects we have going on. We have a complete 70 Chevelle that our students are lucky enough to see a brand new shell, and they will get to go over the full process of seam sealing, priming, sanding, and painting the whole vehicle. Right now they have it ready for primer. It's all sanded and prepped. And some other things that I'm not able to show you at the moment. We also go over estimating. We go over vehicle detailing. We go over paint restoration, which is touch-ups, buffing, and polishing. We go over the shop maintenance. The students maintain this spray booth, not me. I teach the students how to change the filters, adjust the belts, and run all the systems. Same thing goes for the prep deck and the frame machine. So I make sure that our students leave here with the best possible education as they could for an automotive industrial environment or an auto body shop. Thank you. Please come and see us.